So the time is fast approaching. That time again where I'm getting ready to head off into the outback and do some more exploring of Australia. I'm probably about 4, maybe 5 weeks away from leaving and just starting to go through all my gear again, replacing some of the older gear and just refining my packing skills. As there are a few things last time I didn't need which I took around, and this time I'm determined to reduce the amount of additional gear. So let's just take a quick look at some of the packing I've done thus far. All my clothes, spare parts, any gear that I need, cooking gear. So it won't be too much longer now before I'm ready to go. So stay tuned.